Okay, so we're going to draw the hyperbola x squared on 16 minus y squared on 9 equals 1. So we want to do this pretty accurately, so we'll start by working out a and b and e. A squared is 16, so a is 4. B squared is 9, so b is 3. And then to work out e, we know that b squared equals a squared, e squared minus 1. Okay, so 9 equals 16, e squared minus 1. All right, so here we go. All right, so a is 4, b is 3, e is 5 on 4. Right, so we can work out the foci. Foci. A, E, comma 0. Why does that keep happening? All right, A, E, comma 0. So plus or minus A, E, comma 0. So A times E is 4 times 5 on 4. So that's plus or minus 5, comma 0. How convenient. And we want the directrices. So that's A on E. X equals plus or minus A on E. So X equals A. A is 4. 4 on 5 fourths is 16 on 5. So plus or minus 16 on 5. So that gives us 2 bits of information we need. I'll just move them over to the side. Come on, where are you? Right, let's move that down and move it over. All right, so what's next? Next, we need the asymptotes. All right, so asymptotes, as we looked at previously, is plus or minus bx on a. All right, asymptotes. So y equals plus or minus bx on a, so that's going to be 3x on 4, 3/4 x. And again, I'll just move that over. Move it down a little bit. Okay. All right. All right, so the way to start drawing is to draw a triangle, draw a rectangle first. So we'll just mark out A and B on each of the axes. I might just change the color. A is 4, so let's make that 4 and -4 and 3 and -3. Okay, 3 and -3. And so we'll draw a rectangle. Now, the asymptotes go through the diagonals here. 3/4 x plus or minus 3/4 x. So let's do those asymptotes. There we go. Now they're the asymptotes. So they're going to help guide our drawing. What else can we chuck in there? Well, let's put in the directrices. 16 on 5 is, what's that? That's about 3 1/5. So we'll chuck that in. All right, so there's our directrices. So that's x equals 16 on 5. And hang on, just there and there, they're going to be 16 on 5, comma 0. Oh, yep. And -16 on 5. Focus 5, comma 0. -5, comma 0. All right, so we're good to start drawing it. So now when we draw it, it's going to go through plus or minus a, So let's draw that as well as we can. And there we go, that's the drawing of the hyperbola, fairly accurately.